Hi, my name is Marikita. I'm 55 years old. I'm here at Doc Rob's clinic because I have a spine issue from L is lumbar, 3, 4, 5, up to S1. So it's quite critical because it might reach my hip and basically I might become paralyzed. So I was coaxed by my son Yesu, amazing, to go through the treatment. And now I'm on my 7th treatment. So far, the treatment is working because I've outgrown my need for my vertigo pill, my neck, my thoracic, my lumbar. Basically, my hip is now being aligned out of the 7 treatments. And I'm up to until 48 treatment sessions with Doc Rob. So if you guys want to heal naturally, come over at Doc Rob Chiropractic Clinic. Thank you, Doc Rob. I made my right choice.